going on, guys? It's Deontay here with Premium Lifestyle Detailing. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video, I got these T37s, 19-inch wheels. I'm sorry for the background noise. My brother's in the other room working on something. And I gotta have these wheels done right now. But I wanna share you guys a couple quick tips before we get into it, because I think this will be helpful for a lot of people struggling to remove the grime that gets built up over a long period of time to the barrel of wheels and the faces of wheels, and to bring back that super smooth finish on powder coated wheels. So before I tell you guys in the products, let's just take a look at the barrel of the wheel. We have the old spots where they used to have the weights. It's left the foam, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove that. And then also all around the barrel, there's these black little like specks that have a ton of texture to them. I don't really know exactly what it is. And then also here on the inside, like this stubborn dark film over the whole entire barrel. And this is what I really want to show you guys how to remove. This is Meguiar's wheel brightener that I have. And I believe this stuff would remove this dark film that's inside the barrel. But I'm kind of worried about damaging the clear coat. I have a buyer that's coming for these wheels and I do not want to damage them. So I'm gonna show you guys a different way that I use not to damage them. Takes a little bit longer than just spraying and scrubbing, but I'm gonna walk you guys through the steps and hopefully they turn out pretty good. So stick around, make sure you drop a like, enjoy the video. So step one is gonna be going in there and spraying it down with some iron decon, and then we're gonna clay bar it with the iron decon on it with some Meguiar's clay bar. Here's the iron decon that we're gonna be using today from Adams. A lot of things you can use for your one step or your first step. For the adhesive, you can use some automotive glue gun remover. I guess it depends on what's on your wheel. This will help for like adhesive, sticky stuff, but other than that, it's not gonna help for the cleaning process. And then tar and sap, this is also gonna help break down the same stuff that this is gonna break down, but it's a little bit more aggressive. So if you're already going in with the clay bar, both of these will work. I'm gonna stick with the iron decon though. I think it's the best way. After we go in with the iron decon, this is our special unit right here. This is the eraser wheel that you attach to your drill. You can get these at O'Reilly Auto Parts, or I'll leave a link to everything down below. This is gonna remove all the adhesive and a lot of those black spots, just stubborn spots on there. I'll show you guys. This is the magic stick right here. After that, because the eraser wheel is gonna leave a little bit of marring, we'll go through after that with some heavy cut compound. These are powder coated wheels, so this will be our final step. If we decide to, if you want to go extra, you can use some polish, but we're just gonna go heavy cut compound, get nice and smooth, and maybe apply a ceramic coating. All right, so this area, let me flip the camera. This area looks like it captures everything we're trying to remove. Step one, new one's a lot softer. The clay ready, spray a little bit on there. We're just gonna go through and remove as much as we can. Oh, I forgot to say that these wheels have already been cleaned multiple times with regular wheel cleaner, degreaser, and this is what we've got. So these stains that we're removing are pretty stubborn. So take a clean. You guys can see though, there's still stains, dark stains inside of here. We're gonna come in with the eraser wheel and just work back and forth, and remove all these stains. What's left over right there is actually a scratch. So here's where we started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm consistently moving with it. Staying in one spot is just gonna make the paint hotter and hotter and hotter. But it's all getting removed. And it's actually a pretty fast process. It's easier to work with it on the ground like this. We're gonna go around, do the whole thing, and we'll take you to the next step. Alright guys, so that part is done. We're gonna go through by hand now, and with the clay bar again and some iron decon, break down even some more. Trying to get as much as you can off there. This is just to give the least amount of work to our compound, because that's gonna remove the rest of it and give us that smooth finish. You don't want that just sitting on there. It'll get all sticky. Alcohol spray inside of here. We're gonna get rid of the rest of the decon and get us ready for our heavy cut. We're gonna go in with the heavy cut. I'm gonna actually do it by hand to show you guys it can be done by hand. And I also don't have a 3-inch polisher, but I'd recommend using a 3-inch polisher if you have one. I'm just gonna work it in. We'll take a new clean rad and just buff everything off. And just like that, guys, the barrel is done. How much cleaner our barrel is than compared to before. A couple scuffs here and there that we can't do anything about unless we got it repainted. Now ready for a coating. We're gonna turn our attention to the face. The faces are a lot cleaner than the barrels, but they have a little roughness to the surface. What that means is they never got properly clay barred, and they just need a polish. The clay bar, the whole thing, get all the cracks and stuff, clean them as much as we can, and then polish it. The smoother it is, the less the dirt can stick, and the easier they're gonna be to clean up. Optimum no rinse right here, I don't wanna use. Oh yeah, the sides are pretty dirty. I can feel it picking up and then getting smooth. You guys can see it's picking up quite a bit. They look clean, but white can get you sometimes. See how it gets a little bit dark right here? That's actually dirt buildup in the corners. So that's where our correction compound is gonna come in handy. We got some compound on the towel. Just gonna go in the corner right here. Look how much better that is right there. We're now gonna go through with a micro cut from Coach Kemi, since the face we want to be the cleanest. Here's the coating we're using. It's called Rim Job, and it's like, I think it's a 3 to 6 month. Let me read it real quick. And reapply every 4 to 6 weeks. So I think that depends on how much you're cleaning your wheels. Easy to apply though. This is like a wax. It goes on like a little paste, not an actual ceramic coating. guy. It's glowing, ready for sale. Hopefully the buyer likes it. These things are looking pretty much brand new again, and should be a lot easier to clean. It's not as rough to the surface, and you can actually see what dirt is new and not old. If today's video helped you guys at all, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We are continuously posting videos here again. I know I took a long break off, but we are back and for the better. So with that, thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.